Welcome to my channel, What's Tricking's channel.
Everybody there.
Kalilayan Cove Beach is a beach resort in Malatandang Beach, Unisan in Quezon Province. Opened last January 2021. About 4 to 5 hours drive from Metro Manila, where you can relax and experience the calm ocean breezes of Tayabas Bay. It was a refreshing retrieve. A Kalilayan Cove continues to charm guests like me who visit for the first time. Nakaka-amaze po, ang ganda ng sunset talaga. Mostly guests who return to enjoy natures once more. It continues to offer new accommodations and new activities for all the guests. Nag-enjoy po kami ng sobrang bonggam-bongga. Napakaganda ng place, napaka-relaxing, napakaganda ng buhangin. Basta maganda. Pasyalan nyo po ang place na ito at talaga naman kayo'y mag-i-enjoy. Yan pong view yan ay gabi, pero ang liwanag ng aking pagkakabidyo. Sana kayo nag-i-enjoy. Beautiful. Napasayaw po si Mahal dahil siya talagang nag-i-enjoy dyan. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Please give me a comment kung taga saan kayo at anong masasabi nyo sa view na yan. At paki-follow na rin po ng aking channel. Salamat!
Everybody dance.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers. Kung kayo po ay nag-enjoy sa video na ito, meron po itong part 3. Paki-follow po. Thank you so much.